beauties, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Well, if you're seeing this face for the very first time, hi, I'm Indu. I make videos related to makeup, skincare, lifestyle, beauty and loads of product reviews. So today's video is a Nykaa haul. I have not shopped from Nykaa for a pretty long time. I really wanted to shop it out in the month of March, but however there was lockdown and then I couldn't shop. So finally I placed my orders and I have received them too. So let me quickly share with you my haul, but before that I just wanted to share with you what all I have used on my eyes and on my lips. So first thing that I've used for my eyes is this one. This is the Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette. This is a trio palette. It's got a beautiful mauve color, a nice peachy pink color, and then there is a white color for your brow bone, for highlighting and for the inner corner highlights. I really like this eyeshadow palette. It is really nice, pigmented, and it worked out really good. I purchased this product from an Instagram store and I will be sharing with you the links of that. And this is how the actual product looks like. It's got two cute little tiny little brushes and then these three colors. It comes white in color. This is a very limited edition eyeshadow palette and I really like it. The pigmentation was really good. There was no fallout at all, and it was easy to blend. On my lips, I have used a combination of two lip colors. First one is from the Makeup Academy Super Stylo Lip Crayon. This is in the shade Elite. And second, I have used my favorite, the Wet n Wild Catsuit lipstick in the shade Give Me Mocha. Both of it gives a very nice neutral mauve look, a brownie mauve look to my look, so that it just complements the entire look. So it just worked out pretty well. So without further ado, let's quickly get into the haul. The first product that I wanted to share with you from my Nykaa haul is from Ayurvedic. This is the Ayurvedic Kumkumadi oil. This is how the bottle looks like, and this is how the packaging. It's a plastic packaging, nothing so grand, nothing so great about it. I had purchased this product because I had seen it in the recommendations of Shweta Vijay Nair. She had recommended this oil and it is a Kumkumadi oil, so it is like an amazing product. And the best part about it is the price of this product. This product just retails for 350 rupees and I got it for around 295 rupees, and it is 100 ml of product. This product does have discount always whenever you purchase it from Nykaa, so that's the best part about it. And with the product just being a Kumkumadi oil, it not only helps to get rid of your darkness, your pigmentation, your dark spots, it gives you glowy, brighter looking skin. And this is enriched with saffron. I don't know whether you guys can see it, but yeah, there are saffron particles in it. They are just falling down, and if just in case the camera is capturing it, it's a beautiful, nice, what do you say, a bright yellow orange color oil it is. It's very light on your skin. I require just 3 to 4 drops of it and it goes very well on your skin. It feels and deals very good, and it is just at, what do you say, less than half the price of most of the Kumkumadi oils out there in the market. So it's an amazing product to try to, and already have started loving it. Second product that I wanted to share with you guys is this one. This is the Wadi Herbals Elbow, Foot and Knee Scrub. This is soap is for 75 grams of product and it's priced at 32 rupees. It's enriched with walnut, almond and aloe vera. Walnut and almond particles in it helps you to exfoliate and remove of the dead skins and dirt and impurities from your skin. And the aloe vera in it is for your soothing and relaxing and calming properties. So it's there to take care of your skin too. So this is how the product comes for, and it officially retails for 38 rupees, but I got it for 32 rupees from this. And I'm super excited to try out this product, especially for my foot, because I'm facing very bad foot problems as currently. So I wanted a good scrub soap, so I hope this will do the job. Next product that I picked up is again a soap, and this is the Medimix one. This is the Medimix Ayurvedic 18 herb soap. This is 125 grams of product and this retails for 40 rupees. This is basically one of the 4 variants, but this is the classic variant that I have picked up. Medimix is something that all South Indian Keralites really know about. This is something that we have grew up, and we know about its own soap since long. So right now just getting it back into my skincare routine or my bath is very good because it's got 18 herbs in it. This is a traditional handmade soap which will help you to treat your blemishes, your acne, remove the dirt and impurities of your skin, and it's basically suitable for all skin types. Next product that I picked up is from the brand Dr. Shades. Dr. Shades is basically an Indian skincare brand which is into chemical exfoliation products, and they have some amazing products for chemical exfoliation, and it's basically all products created specifically for Indian skin type, dull pigmented skin types specifically they're concentrating on, and that is the reason I wanted to try this product. This is the Dr. Shades Gulab and Glycolic Toner, and this officially retails for 499 rupees. I got it for 449 rupees, and you get 50 ml of product in this. This is the outer packaging of this product, and this is the how the actual product looks like. This is paraben free, sulfate free. This is made in India. It's non-toxic, it's Jain and vegan. This is enriched with gulab and glycolic toner, and it has also got rose extracts, hyaluronic acid, glycolic acid which is 5%. And just if you are a person who's venturing into chemical exfoliation, this is something so good to start off. I've seen it to be used by many YouTubers like Shalini Srivastava, Shreya Jain, and a lot of YouTubers out there have tried this product. They really recommend it, and I think for my dry skin type, when I am entering into the range of chemical exfoliation, I thought of starting off with this. And all you have to do is just gently spritz this on your face. It's got a beautiful pump dispenser out here, and it just sprays on your the toner very very beautifully onto your skin. And the next two product that I purchased is from their makeup range, and it's from Nykaa's in-house brand itself. This is the Nykaa Skin Genius Sculpting and Hydrating Foundation. There are 5 shades in it, and the shade that I picked up is 03 Warm Sand. This is officially retails for 575 rupees. I got it for around 431 rupees, and you get 30 grams of product. The best part about it is that it is very very hydrating for my dry skin. This is my second purchase of this packet, and I really like it because it is very very gives me a very very natural finish. It not only makes my skin looks nice, natural and refreshed, it doesn't make it look cakey, or I do not get cracks anywhere on my skin. So I really like this foundation. It's very very light on the skin, and it's basically formulated in Italy and all, and this I think has a shelf life of 3 years. And the best part is like this foundation, it so nicely merges into your skin that it gives you a natural finish. So I really really like it. Next product that I purchased is from Nykaa only. It's the Nykaa Skin Genius Skin Perfecting Hydrating Matte Powder Compact. This is in the shade Warm Honey. This is the outer cover. The actual package is this. It comes in this matte black packaging. This officially retails for 525 rupees, but I got it in the for 394 rupees. And once you open this, you have a mirror on this side, you have the actual compact over here, and then you have a sponge to apply. And the best part is that the sponge has these windows out here for it to dry, just in case it gets moist or wet in any form, just in case there is any moisture that it catches. I like this compact because it gives me a very natural and nice finish, and the combination of this Skin Genius foundation plus the Skin Genius compact suits me very very well for my dry skin types. So I have purchased this. That's all I have for my Nykaa haul. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it, and if you like my videos, do not forget to give it a like, share and subscribe. It will mean the world to me. Till next time, see you. Bye.